Welcome to Daily Dose of History. Let's jump and uncover the significance of events that unfolded on this very date.
The history of the first federal withholding tax in the U.S.
The introduction of the federal withholding tax in 1941 was a significant event as it marked a shift in the way taxes were collected in the United States, making it more efficient and manageable for the government. This system continues to be used today and plays a crucial role in funding government programs and services.
The magnificent closing ceremony of London 2012 Summer Olympics.
The 2012 London Summer Olympics were a significant historical event as it showcased the world's top athletes competing in various sports and brought together nations in a spirit of unity and friendly competition. The closing ceremony marked the end of the successful Olympic Games and celebrated the achievements of athletes from across the globe.
Egyptian Islamic Jihad's assassination of President Anwar Sadat, unveiling the 1981 tragedy.
The assassination of President Anwar Sadat in 1981 was a significant event in Egyptian history, marking a turning point in politics and the rise of Islamist extremism. It highlighted the challenges faced by leaders seeking peace and introduced a new era of political violence and instability in the region.
Unearthing the prehistoric hominid Lucy, remarkable discovery in Ethiopia.
The discovery of Lucy's remains in 1996 was a significant milestone in paleontology, as she provided vital insights into the early human evolution and contributed to our understanding of our ancient ancestors. Lucy's fossilized skeleton is one of the most complete prehistoric hominid ever found, revolutionizing our knowledge of human evolution.
Apple makes history. First U.S. company reaches $1 trillion market cap.
In 2018, Apple became the first publicly traded U.S. company to reach a market capitalization of $1 trillion, signifying its unprecedented success and dominance in the tech industry. This event showcased Apple's innovation and impact on the global economy. These are some of the most notable events that occurred today in history. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. There will be a new video every day.